Recently learned that Phantom Scree is a sound guy's baby crying. Really? Okay, that's kind of cool. I saw a behind the scenes video for the sound Foley guys for Overwatch when Overwatch 1 had come out. And they were mentioning like, oh, we wanted to make the hit sound, very satisfying. And what could be more satisfying than opening up a can of cold beer? So what they did was they got the sound effect from opening a can of beer and then they played it in reverse and they added some filters to it. And then that was the hit sound for Overwatch.